Hi everybody, it's Tina here from Be Earthy. So right now we're getting ready for the hurricane coming in. I don't know if you can tell how cloudy it is up there and everything like that. So to begin with, I'll show you. I put in an entrance reducer right there. We're going to go ahead and put this board back in there. The bottom board. We're going to put this back in here. I'm going to put the vents down so they're down below so it doesn't get as much wind. Okay. There. Okay. So now we're going to strap it down. So in order to secure it, we're going to put the tie, yeah, it's out, through on both sides. Out, good. And then these two big pillars of bricks will hold it down. Right, baby?
If the bricks fly away, we got a bigger problem.
Okay, look at how dark it is, the sky. So our worry is going to be the greenhouse. It's going to be our biggest worry. What is that doing to the front? It's not bad. All right, boys and girls, there it is. That's a strapping it down, the entrance excluder, and we put the bottom board on with the vents facing the other way. So that's how we are preparing the hive for the oncoming storm. Right, babe?
Give it a shot. Be safe out there, everybody.
And be earthy.
Be earthy.